If you general brand spacers and install them correctly, adding 1-inch wheel spacers won't mess up the alignment once they are set up properly. The direction and the angles that the tires point in are fixed. Installing 1-inch wheel spacers will not change its alignment space, as all the suspension components will still retain their basic geometry relationships with each other. These 1-inch wheel spacers improve the handling and appearance of your car. The wheels are set further apart, reducing body roll and improving stability. By increasing the track width, spacer boosts the handling of curves and spreading, which help the vehicles perform better on the road. This means you will enjoy more dynamic and comfortable driving. Safety, precision, durability, and the best experience are what sets apart BONOSS from other 1-inch spacers manufacturers. In addition, BONOSS Sport active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation boosts to make free cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These boosts allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you are looking for an extra layer of safety when mounting your wheels, these BONOSS Sport active cooling 1-inch wheel spacers are worth considering. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.